Hi, my name is Sanath, and today we are going to have a quick demo of Wizzygen, which is a platform that helps to create AI generated content directly onto Notion workspace. So how we are going to create a content? We have two options over here, that is a Notion database and a Notion page. A Notion page is a simple blank page that you create while using Notion, and a database is in form of rows and columns that you use while using Notion. So today we are going to create AI generated content on both these pages as well as the database. So if you see the database, everything is empty over here and there is nothing, no content written over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly write some stuff over here. So this is the name of the connection that I'm building. So this is Notion page, and then I'm going to quickly put the Notion page selection over here, and then in the URL section what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and put it over here and then click on next. So I just want to have write me a blog of 100 words on Notion. So let's see what it does. Now as soon as I do this, you can see that the content will be generated over here with the help of AI, and you can see that it has generated an AI content over here. So this is a quick demo of what we saw for the Notion page. Now let's have a look at the Notion database and see how it generates the content over there. Now it's the time to generate the content of the Notion database. So I'm just going to quickly put the name over here. Let's say it is Notion database, and then I'm going to select Notion database from here, and the Notion URL, I'm going to head up to the database, and then I'm going to copy the URL from here. So for this, I'm going to copy the URL of the database and put it over here, and then click on next. So what I want to do is, if you see that in the database we have three particular topics, and for each of the topic I want to create a blog content of 100 words so that we can see what the AI does over here. So I'm going to quickly write me a blog of 100 words on the topic, and let's see what it does. Now as soon as this starts generating the topic, you can see that it is blank and it will start generating the content over here. So you can see that it has generated the content over here, and similarly if we scroll to the other sections, we can see that the content will also start populating over here in this section as well. And finally you can see that every row is being captured and we can generate content. So this is how you can utilize Wizzygen to generate AI content for your Notion pages as well as Notion database.